The House of Pancakes, a tradition for me every birthday. So yeah, me and my grandma, we'd go here every single year. What are you having? But you know, it doesn't matter if I ate the whole pancake or not. It was just a fun tradition. And I'm gonna try to keep the tradition alive. Bacon. Everyone has that birthday tradition with friends or loved ones, right? I mean, I'm sure everyone does.
This for the vlogging, huh?
What was that?
For the vlogging.
This is for the vlog. Yeah. Talking about
What's on the menu?
well, today is like about a birthday tradition. Do you have a birthday tradition that you would do?
Not really.
Not really?
Spend time with family.
Spend time with family? Yeah, that's what's important.
Yeah.
Have a good day. I guess the main tradition is family, just like that guy at the store said.